Hi guys. Today I want to spend a little time talking about how we write two-step equations. Now, the good news in this situation is that most of your work is going to be multiple choice. As you move forward in algebra, you will do more two-step equations on your own, but for our purposes this week, kind of a beginner level. But let's start with a real situation. Let's say that my son wants to buy this new Xbox bundle. Decent price, a game he wanted. So it's $299.95. Now, right now, I can't even go into Best Buy. I have to buy everything online and go pick it up. So he asked Mom to go online, pick it up. We'll even pretend this already includes the tax. He's got $100 left over of birthday money. And so he's going to pay a down payment, or pay me part of it, of $100. Okay? But he still is going to owe me some money. Well, he tells me he can make that up in the next 4 weeks by doing chores for the different neighbors. And I say, all right, well, you can play the Xbox when it's paid for. So how much is he going to have to make each week doing yard work and chores for the neighbors in order to be able to play this new Xbox in a month? So a month typically has 4 weeks in it. So 4 weeks times, I don't know what. We don't know how much he needs to pay. Okay, so those are the pieces that we know. Now, I know a couple ways to solve this problem logically, and so do you, but I want to really look at writing it as an equation. So the total is $299.95. And we need the total to equal $100 now plus 4 times whatever his payment's going to be. I'll call it a payment. Okay. Well, if we look at that, many of you logically thought, well, if he already has $100, then he's only really going to owe $199.95. I mean, you would make that negotiation with your parent very quickly. Broken into 4 pieces. Okay. Now, estimating, looks like he needs to make about $50 a week. But what is it exactly? So I'm going to divide both sides by 4. And I'm going to get 49.99 is the payment. So he can short me a penny every single week of that $50 that I estimated, and he will have plenty of money to pay his Xbox. Now, for the purposes of this lesson, this is what I want you focusing on. Just writing the equation or choosing the correct equation. But the very next thing we're going to do is be solving the equation. So a nice preview into it as well. Now, sometimes we give the equation and we want you to put it into a word form or a story form. I just want to give an example of how this might be said in words instead of in an algebraic sentence. So going from algebraic sentence to English sentence, this might be 5 times a number minus 12 is 25. Or it might be the difference of 5 times the number and 12 is 25. Something like that. So as you're choosing between words and number sentences, just really look at those words of times, difference, and look for those clues that would help you. Again, very much going to be multiple choice, but I wanted to give you a few hints. Have a great day.